welcome back to One Footed Phoenix. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I celebrated my Ampuversary, which is the anniversary of my 1 year of amputation. I lost my leg to CRPS, and if you want to know what CRPS is, you can click the link in one of these two corners. If you would like to see how CRPS led to my amputation and the full amputation story, you can also click the link in one of these two corners and it will take you to my full amputation story and how my mission cost me my leg. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like to subscribe, click the Phoenix button. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thank you, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!